Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 4.1 question number 2. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. Let us check. That is question number 2 is question number 2a. A is n plus 5 is equal to 19 and value of n is equal to 1. Therefore we are putting the value left hand side is equal to n plus 5. If we put the value n is equal to 1, we are getting 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Right hand side is 19. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is not a solution. Therefore, it is not a solution. It is not a solution of the equation. Not a solution. It is not a solution of the equation. Of the equation. Now, question number 2. Question number B. What is question number B? B is here 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. And value of n is equal to minus 2. Right? Now, like left hand side is equal to 7n plus 5. That is 7. N is value of n is minus 2 plus 5. That gives us minus 7 to the 14 plus 5. That is equal to minus 9. Right? And minus 9 not is equal to 19. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is not a solution of the equation. Therefore, it is not a solution of. Therefore, it is not a solution of the equation. Not a solution. Not a solution of the equation. Right? Now, question number C is. Now, question number C. We are getting question number C. Here is question number C. Question number C is 7n plus 5. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19 and the value of n is equal to 2. Now left hand side is equal to 7n plus 5. Put the value of n as equal to 2, that is 7 into 2 plus 5, that is 7 to the 14 plus 5, that is equal to 19. And here you see the value of right hand side is also 19. The left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, we can say it is a solution of the equation. Therefore, we can say it is a solution of the equation. It is a solution. It is a solution of the equation. It is a solution of the equation. It is a solution of the equation. Now, question number D is question number D. Here you see question number D. Question number D is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 and the value of p is 1. The value of p is equal to 1. Then we find the value of left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 4p minus 3. that is 4. Value of p is 1 minus 3, that comes to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1, and the value right hand side is 13, therefore it is not equal, therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore we can say it is not a solution of the equation. Therefore it is not a solution of the equation. It is not a solution of the equation. Not a solution of the equation. Now we solve the next question, that is question number E. Right? Now we solve question number E and F. Now we solve question number E. Here you see question number E is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 and p is equal to minus 4. Now left hand side is equal to 4p minus 3, that is equal to 4. The value of p is minus 4 minus 3, that is equal to minus 4 is 16, that is minus 16 minus 3, that comes to minus 19. But right hand side is equal to 13, therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore you can say that it is not a solution of the equation. Therefore you can say it is not a solution of the equation. Not a solution of the equation. Right? Now question number F. Question number F is, here you see, that is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 and the value of p is equal to 0. Here left hand side is equal to 4p minus 3. The value of p is 0, that is 4 into 0 minus 3, that comes to 0 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. But the value of right hand side is 13, therefore we can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore we can say that it is not a solution of the equation. It is not a solution of the equation. Not a solution of the equation. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.